What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. Here you can see I have a video in timeline and now I want to remove the background from this video. First of all, select your layer and then go to video. From here go to remove PG, and from here you can select auto removal, custom removal and also Chroma Key. I want to click on this icon, click to Chroma Key, then here you can say a pencil icon, just click on this, and then if you hover over the green screen, color will be go out. So click here and then here you can see a multiple option available. Increase the intensity like 50%, and also you can apply more option, feather edge and also clean up edge. Select 100%, and that's it. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.